Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the timeout time on your CHiQ 22F650. Here, what we need to do is we need to open up the menu. Now here, go to OSD setup, and here we will have the timeout. So as you guys can see, for me, it's set as 30 seconds now. The default one is set to 10, so as you guys can see, the 10 is the minimum, the bare minimum that we have to set. And here, as you guys can see, we can bring it up to 60 seconds, so it's a full minute of timeout, and that's totally up to us. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, subscription, a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.